Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to zoom a video on Davinci Resolve. So if you wanna add a zoom in or a zoom out effect on your video in Davinci Resolve, this is how you do it. So first you need to import a video clip on your timeline in Davinci Resolve, and then once you have the clip on your Davinci Resolve timeline, you need to go to Inspector, and then on the inspector you need to go to video tab, and here you'll see this dynamic zoom. All you need to do is you need to select which part of the clip that you want the zoom effect to be uh, placed. And once you selected the correct part of the video that you want to have the zoom in and zoom out effect, you just need to click this dynamic zoom. See that the clip is already zoomed in. So if you want to have like a zoom in or zoom out effect on your video, you just need to select uh, what type of zoom in and zoom out you want to put on your video. Is in or is out. So let's try this one. And then let's check if the video is will zoom. You'll see that the video is zooming in. So if you wanna revert this, or if you wanna change it to a zoom out, you just need to click swap. Let's check. See that the video is zooming um, in. All right. So that's how you zoom a video on DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.